Hi friends, Namaskar. I Yagota Sharma welcomes you to the Future Pro YouTube channel. This is the next video in the series of the astrology. In our last video, we had discussed about these 12 houses, what are the names of this, and in a short terms, we had discussed what are these representing. This is continue in this video. Before proceeding ahead, as usual, I request you to see the videos, like them, share them, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that as soon as any video in any section of the Future Pro YouTube channel is launched, you get the information immediately. In our last video, we had told that there are houses and we had given the name, the Kendras, Trikon, Parnafar, Apoklim, etc. This is, if we see, in last video, we had told that this is the house for children. The conception. And after that, 9 months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 months, the child is born. And that's why it's called the Lagna. Because now we can see the child. And the 9th house from this is the departure of the soul. The soul is entering from here and departing from the 9th house. The 9th house is, you can say, the house of the death also. And in these 12 houses is a complete cycle of a human being. Right from beginning, from taking the birth up to the death, there is a certain development of a person's life. And all the things required to live in the life in this world are represented through these houses. So, there are 3 things, major we can say. Number 1, the base. How the person will perform in his life, that is represented from the Kendra, means 1, 4, 7 and 10. 1, 4, 7 and 10. As we told, these are the columns of a person's life. Now, next. There is another term we had used, the Parnafar. Parnafar or succedent. This is what? 2, 5, 8 and 11. How much success this person will get in his life, that is represented from these 4 houses. Next, decline also. There may be loss in the life. That is represented from another term we had used, Apoklim. Apoklim means decline. And which house are representing? 3, 6, 9 and 12. Yes, all the 12 houses covered in these 3 categories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the total cycle of a person's life. And We had discussed other terms also. Trick houses, chaturasra, death houses, age houses. And this is the complete of this thing. This is very scientific. It is scientifically designed. So, if we talk of the development cycle right from birth to the death of a person, this is the first house, the Lagna, because we start seeing the person from here. After that, when the child takes birth, he needs food first. Food and the initial education from their family, mother or the near dears who are taking care of him. So, this house needs to be very strong because this is the body, tanum. This is the body of a person. So, if it's strong, he will perform well. If there is something wrong with this, with the body of the person, he may be doing not so good as he should have done. So, after that, so this house represents how he will be taken care of. So, it's the house of the money. If the children family is wealthy, this family can take care of this person well, and this person can also perform much better comparative to the other person. Then this is the third house. You need the money to live. You need the money to live. From where this will come? This will come from this. This is the power. Power, your hard workingness. Then you can get the money. When you have money and power or will to do something, then you are happy. After that, the fifth house. Fifth house, we initially say that this is the house of the child, but child after the certain age. Before that, this is the house for the education. And education doesn't mean the studies. This is the development of the thoughts. This is a house for the development of thought, how the person thinks about anything, whatever he need or whatever he do. Then there is a sixth house. We say the trick house and it's not good, but when how the person will perform, this will decide by this is the house of the enemy, or you can say the competition also. When he is studying, then it's a competition. If this house is very strong, he can fight any of the competition for his settlement in the life. Then it's the house of the wife. But at the initial stage, as we divided in the three parts of the life, then is the house in the initial stage. This is the house for his friends, partners. Then it's the Mrityu Bhav, Mrityusha. But Mrityu doesn't mean it's the competition or the you can say the diseases. When he will come forward, he will do something, he will fight for. So he may be ill, or he may get diseases also. Then it's the destiny, the bhagya. Then if this house is strong, then he can do is the karma. What he will do, what will he be using his way of living. How will he live in the life? What he will do? This is the house for the person's profession also. This is a problem. Then from profession he will get the incomes and expenses. So this is a very scientific way. The horoscope is made by our ancestors, our Rishi Muni. As in, I always say, the astrology is the blessings of the Lord Shiva came to us through Maharshi Parashar. So keep it in the mind. If these houses are strong, the persons of the base of the person is the best. If these houses are strong, then he will success in the life. He will get the most of the achievement in his life. If these houses are strong, the decline will be there. All will be decided by the transit of the planets, the dasha he is facing, and the Mahadasha, Antardasha. They will decide the person will go up or he will be facing the losses in the life. So in this video we summarize it here, and we will continue in the next videos about the planets and individually each of the house. Thanking you for watching. Please do share.